S for reindeer, running so fast, pulling the sleigh on snow that will last. With antlers so big and noses so bright, they fly through the snow on Christmas night. Let's write the letter R, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital R with a curve and a line, lowercase r, smaller and takes no time. R is for reindeer, dash, 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 learning letters with a merry flash. The reindeer shared the sleigh with a little fun, teaching it to fly as they headed towards dawn. Together they glide through the chilly air. Reindeer teach us to always share. The letter R is in your ABCs. Let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital R with the curve and a line, lowercase r, smaller and takes no time. R is for reindeer, dash, 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 learning letters with a merry flash. Reindeer guide Santa through the cold night sky. Let's write the letter R and give it a try. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter R is next in our ABCs. Capital R with the curve and a line, lowercase r, smaller and takes no time. R is for reindeer, dash, 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 learning letters with a merry flash. Ooh, ooh, flash.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.